Hello students, this is A3 Education, Class 10 CBSE, Chapter 2 Polynomials, Exercise 2.1, First Sum. Find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship between zeros and the coefficients. Okay. First sum, first subdivision, x square minus 2x plus minus 8 equal to 0. Okay. First we need to find the zeros. Okay. Take this element minus 8 எடுத்துக்கோங்கப்பா. Take the minus 8. We need to split so that the product of two numbers should be minus 8. It can be 2 4s are okay, and the sum should be minus 2. Minus means the greater number should have minus sign. Okay, then it will be therefore plus 2 minus 4. By adding we should get minus 2, by multiplication we should get minus 8. Okay, this satisfies the both the condition, therefore x plus 2, x minus 4. Don't worry, it will be easy when you practice more sums. Therefore x is equal to minus 2. Okay, by solving equal to 0, therefore x is equal to 4. It is for 1 0 and this also 1 0, therefore the zeros are minus 2 4. Okay, we got this. Next, to find what, to verify the relationship. Okay, sum of zeros is equal to b by a formula. B is equal to, first need to write b, a b c. A is equal to 1, b equal to minus 2, c equal to minus 8. Okay, found. Therefore b is equal to minus 2 by 1, therefore minus 2. By using the zeros which we found, sum of the product is equal to minus 2 plus 4, which is equal to minus 2. Both same. Okay, we are verifying that product of zeros is equal to, here minus b by a, therefore minus into minus plus, here plus 2. Okay, product c by a, which is c is equal to minus 8 by a1, therefore minus 8. Okay, product alpha beta, here alpha is minus 2, beta is 4, therefore multiplying we get minus 8. Both same, hence verified. Find the relationship. Okay, second subdivision, 4s square minus 4s plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, wow. It is also a tricky sum when compared to first sum. Okay, here the number is 1. First sum paranga, here there is no coefficient, it is 1. 1 into minus 8, we took minus 8. Okay, but in the second sum, here it is 4. We should take 4 into 1, therefore 4. What? 4 into 1. Okay, therefore by adding we get minus 4. By multiplying we get what? 4. Therefore 2 into 2. Okay, minus 2 minus 2, multiplying 4 minus addition. Okay, here we multiplied the 4, no? Here we should divide. Okay, 1s are 2s are 1s are 2s are. Okay, therefore we can easily find that it is 2s minus 1, 2s minus 1, which is equal to 0. Therefore 2s minus 1, therefore we can get what are the possible solutions. Therefore equal to 0, therefore s is equal to 1. S is equal to 1 by 2. By solving both the equation we get 2 1 by 2. Therefore s is equal to 1 by 2 and s is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore the two zeros are, therefore zeros are 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Okay. Therefore, A is equal to 4. B is equal to minus 4. C is equal to 1. Sum of zeros equal to minus B by A, which is minus of minus 4 by 4, which is 4 by 4 equal to 1. By alpha beta, we get 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 2 by 2, which is equal to 1. Both are same. Okay. Then product of zeros equal to C by A. Here the C 1. Therefore, A alpha beta is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, which is 1 by 4. Both same. Okay. Hence verified. Then third subdivision, 6x square minus 3 minus 7x equal to 0. First we need to rearrange them in an increasing order. 7x minus 3 equal to 0. Okay. This sum you can understand it very easily. Okay, first 6 into, here we have the coefficient before x square. Therefore 6 into minus 3. Therefore 6 into minus 3 minus 18. Okay, by multiplying we should get minus 18. By adding we should get minus 7. Okay, what are the tables can we put? 9 2s are greater number sign should be minus. Okay, it is very easy. But we multiplied by 6. Therefore we should divide by 6. 3s are 2s are 1s are 3s are. Okay, 2 means 2x. Okay, minus 3. 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, if any doubt you can ask in comment section. 2x minus 3 equal to 0, 3x plus 1 equal to 0, 2x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 by 2, 1 0 value, 3x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 by 3. Therefore the zeros are 3 by 2 and minus 1 by 3. Okay, understood? Then we need to write a value is 6, b value is minus 7, c value is minus 3. Okay, then sum of zeros. Okay, using formula minus b by a, which is equal to minus 7 divided by 6. Okay, which is 7 by 6. Without formula, alpha plus beta is equal to 3 by 2 minus 1 by 3, which is 9 minus 2 by 6, 7 by 6. Both are same. Okay, both same. Then we need to find the products. Here I will write the product of zeros, which is equal to c by a. The value of c is minus 3, a is 6, therefore minus 1 by 2. Okay, by using the zeros we found 3 by 2 into minus 1 by 3, cancelling minus 1 by 2, both same, hence verified. Next 3 subdivision will be in next video. Thank you.